Good afternoon, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E Trades. It's Wednesday, April 7th, just about 12:14 p.m. in the States here. I was waiting to do a quick update on the video because the market is certainly sideways, so this is going to be quick. Now, here is our 1440-minute chart on ES. We're still targeting this 4110. However, all right, so this was yesterday's candle right here, and then here's today's candle. So with that being said, that's yesterday and today. Not a whole heck of a lot of movement, very can be frustrating depending upon your trade style. So even though we're still targeting this 4110 here, traders, does not mean that we still can't get a test for a lower low back into this breach point. We just don't know just yet if we're going to continue on chucking along or if we're going to have a tiny correction. But if we did, more than likely we're going to come back and test the breach point and or the 50 exponential moving average from the 1440 chart setup. Okay, so not a whole heck of a lot going on. This major consolidation, still very, very bullish, but could see a pullback if that does execute. Let's take a look here at the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart is pretty miserable as well. Okay, a lot of consolidation here. If this were to trigger to the upside, yesterday I had said about the pullback as well. Notice where our 50 exponential moving average is. We touched and we're holding. So literally here, this is where we're at. Still very bullish. But again, if we keep getting rejected, we're going to have a little bit of a dip. If we don't get rejected though, let's take a look here. We can see this as well. So I'm going to take this swing down to this swing low. Okay, if we do, and we do have enough steam to close over from a 4-hour perspective, okay, right now we've got 1 hour and 43 minutes left still. If we can close over 41.04 would be the projection, but then we would go through our fibs here and so forth. Okay, so nothing is truly concrete just yet. We have no confirmation of a correction just yet. We're just simply sideways here, traders, and so usually sideways can be we're just consolidation and then the market will continue to the upside. But again, we just don't know yet. No true confirmation. With that being said here, let's take a look actually at the 15-minute chart. Maybe this might be the confirmation for a tiny pullback here. All right, here's the 15-minute chart. Let's draw on some price projections in case this does happen here. So we're going to take this. Right here is our trigger. If this happens, we're going to see some momentum here. Okay, right here. And very, very small pullback from the 15-minute chart, targeting 40.54 first target, and then 40.48 down to S3 would be the third target at 40.41 here, traders. So nice correlation on the S3 if this does trigger here. Okay, and so right now we should start to see the momentum happen. Okay, so this is a lower time frame. So again, sideways is choppy trading depending upon your trade style. You can certainly scalp for 2 to 4 points on the 5 and 15-minute chart. I'm currently flat, just kind of waiting for the market to provide just a little bit of a clear direction. Overall, the market is certainly very, very bullish here, so all the dips are buying opportunity. So this is what we got going on the 15-minute chart. Let's take a quick look at RTY. Yesterday, I had said on RTY, and that did trigger, traders. Okay, I had said to notice the sequential failure, and if this triggered, I think I said 22.20, and we're just now passing that up here at 22.20, so pretty spot on that here. We could see 21.99 coming in on RTY. Okay, so that was good to go and is following through. Let's take a look at NQ. NQ is still very, very, very sideways. Yesterday when I did the quick update video, we were just below R1, and we certainly, this is all yesterday and today. Okay, so not a fun trading day. So if you're attempting to trade NQ, not a whole heck of a lot. Very similar on the higher time frames. This is the 240-minute chart on NQ. So again, pretty much of a waiting game to see if this is actually going to take off and continue higher. If this were to continue higher, okay, we would need a solid close above this high here. Let's do a quick price projection just in case. Okay, nothing is confirmed yet though, traders, at all. So we would need a solid close over this 13,659 area if this were to hold. Okay, here are your sellers right here. Okay, your sellers are below the 50 exponential moving average. Okay, but if we were to hold here, traders, targeting 13,850. So I am just giving you both scenarios, kind of if it woulda, coulda, and we'll see exactly what we do. Overall market is very, very bullish, but we do have corrective pullbacks. And on the 15-minute chart here on ES, we're attempting a mini pullback here if we can. So let's see if we can get this follow through in the 15-minute chart. And then so target 1 here, traders, 40.54, target 2, 40.48, target 3, nice alignment here with S3, 40.41, give or take. So we'll see how that follows through. All right, quick video, and certainly market is very, very flat, sideways. Right now ES we're negative 3 points, NQ we're fluctuating here from 1 point, positive barely. RTY is that bearish follow through, as I stated yesterday, is following through, negative 35 points. So a quick video update, certainly sideways. Stay on your toes, because just because we have a correction, mini correction, doesn't mean that we won't spike up back to all-time highs on ES again here. So we'll see you tomorrow, and have a good trading day.